I'm geocaching today with Nicole. Hi! And her two daughters. Say hi! We're at Mott's Glen Falls, and well, they're dry. And I am just a little bit wet. I'm not dry. But how beautiful is this? All right. Here we go. Just waiting for the Milledgeville ferry. This is the Kennebecasis?
Milledgeville ferry. This
Yeah, but the river?
Yeah.
Kennebecasis River. And there's the ferry. It's coming.
If you look over there and
Here's
you
ducks.
see that tower straight ahead,
Yeah.
that's right beside work.
Oh.
Just below it is the yacht club.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, it's getting closer. So pretty. Good timing on the ferry.
Yeah.
Okay, they're offloading the ferry, so we're about to go on it. Want to say something?
What? Say hi on Chantel's video.
Hello.
Tired.
Oh,
Such a big day of geocaching.
I know. We did. It was good exercise, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I'm telling you, after all I've done,
Who needs a gym?
exactly.
There's a bunch of ducks.
He's so cute. Mallards.
Parts every half hour, parts every hour.
Transfer complete.
Thank you, Charlie.
Whoa.
A tractor.
I want his job.
He has a cool view. Really does. Hello. He kind of looks like Sai.
I was just gonna
He
say that.
does.
He does look like something.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it while we wait to leave. There's my friends. Should we keep walking? Where did they go? Oh, they stayed back there. We're cruising along. This is awesome. I wish you guys were here. I'm videotaping the water coming up. Look,
What is it?
I don't know.
I want like go over that so they can.
I wouldn't go close to that. Cool, eh? I can feel it powering down.
That's a nice house.
There's lots of nice houses out there.
Okay, Uncle Si. Time to go let us off.
He needs a duck commander hat. That house over there.
Wow. I don't know if I'd live next to a ferry terminal though.
But it doesn't not at night, right? They're just around in the winter.
That's true. Gondola Point one.
Yeah, that one maybe not much.
That's what it sounds like, because the title of it is something that stinks. How long was I sleeping for now?
10 minutes.
It was a power nap.
Hi.
Oh, show Chantel how you can wrap this. So we just do it. I want to show her.
Transfer
All right.
complete.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna pause it. We're gonna go look for one last geocache. They just blasted the side of the mountain over there. We felt it and heard it. It was so loud and cool. We thought maybe it was gonna happen again, but I guess not. Okay, pausing it. To the back of the ferry this time. I feel like I'm standing still because I'm walking. Flags are at half mast for the RCMP officers. Very cool. Did I mention I love living here? A few times maybe. Maybe. We're on the Peninsula Princess. It's not very full ferry today. Pretty fast, sorry. I'll slow it down. I'm all alone in the back of a ferry. Another rainbow, double rainbow. Oh, but the single rainbow is only part of the way, it looks like. Beautiful.